everyone, I'm on my way to showcase something truly special today, a rare masterpiece in one's prestigious Patterson community. This isn't just another home. It's over 4,300 square feet of luxury living with soaring ceilings, designer finishes, and every amenities you could dream of. From a private gym and a sauna to a hot tub and entertainer's backyard. Stay tuned, you are going to love this property.
When I close my eyes, all I see are pictures of things I don't want to see in my mind's eye. Ooh, and all I want to do is get some sleep and clear my mind. All these things are so deep inside me, yeah. All these things keep on haunting me, taunting me. I wish I could move on. I hope I can be strong. I want to be free of this pain. I want to forget. I don't want to regret. I gotta do what's right for me. Can you save me? Can you save me from the picture in my mind? Can you save me from the picture in my mind? So vivid, real, like I'm still there, living all the things, desperate to forget in my new life. I want to forget. Ooh, and all I wanna do is get some peace and free my mind. All these things that I feel are so deep inside me. All these things that I see keep on haunting me, taunting me. I wish I could move on. I hope I can be strong. I wanna be free of this pain. I want to forget. I don't wanna regret. Gotta do what's right for me.